Today's video, guys, is going to be on something just simple. It's keeping you updated on this build. We got some new back limbs right here, and they're going on the Crumblebee, and they're going on it because we got two wider rims. We're going to be working on the quarter panels, and we need some skinnier rims. And when we work on the sides, we're going to remove the rims anyway. But this gets the car back mobile because one of the limbs has got a flat, and you air it up and it goes back down, and that gets aggravating after a while. If you dealt with any kind of tire that leaks air off, you know, you go move the car, then you got to drag out air hose and, you know, all this and that. So we're going to fix that today, so hopefully you find it enjoyable. And I got my hand study, so let's get started. Now this is the rim. It's a set of flats. We just got the wheel rims to it. We ain't got the actual matching set, but you know, these is quite common, and these are pretty wide rims, and they've been cut into the quarter panel. And this is one that actually leaks air. I don't know what leaks it from. I ain't worried about checking it, but we're going to change that. Now I know these lug nuts is not the proper ones for this, but you know, it's just to move the car around the way these rims are set up, because they do use special washers. These ain't even the right washer for this, but yeah, just so you know, if you got a set of rims like this, they take special washers. So go ahead and remove that bus. Oh, wait, one more on it. Wow, I forgot one. That's a lot of tire. 1970 called one of the rim back. And you can see up in here, we got a pretty solid structure. We do need a little patching back here, and a little section right here. Easy fix. Wow, that's a pretty rim. 1992 called one of the rims back. Now I'm pretty sure it's just 4 lug nuts. Now we got 3. But if you see me take off 5, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll look for it. But I'm pretty sure it's just 4, so I'm not gonna bother looking for it. So when you do stuff like this, side note, don't use a broken jack like I just did. Safety first. Safety is very important. Always be safe. Okay, so that's pretty much the update on this video. We got the rims on it. We can move it around. Now we can actually get it in place to start this 70 Camaro conversion. If you've been following the channel, that's what we fixing to do to this. The whole ass end is getting 70 tail lights, you know, for a split bumper, and then we go on and do the front end too. But these quarters need a lot of attention, so does the rocker panels. But all upcoming videos, tons of content for you. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a comment. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.